Electrical substation. Electric power is produced at the power generating station, which are generally located far away from the load center. Between the power generation station and consumer, a number of transformation and switching stations are required. These are generally known as a substation. Substations are important part of the power system and form a link between generating station, transmission system and distribution system. It is an assembly of electrical components such as busbar, switchgear, apparatus, power transformer etc. Function. The main function are receive power transmitted at the high voltage from the generating station and reduce voltage for switching operation of transmission line. Substation are provided with safety device to disconnected equipment या circuit at the time of faults. Substations are the convenient place for installing synchronous condenser for the purpose of improving power factor, and its provide facility for making measurements to monitor the operation of the various part of the power system. Classification. Substation. The substation may be classified in according to the service requirements and constructional features. According to service requirements, they are classified into the transformer substation, switching substation and converting substation. Transformer substation. Majority of the substation in the power system are in this type. They are used to transform the power from one voltage level to another voltage level. Transformer is the main component in substations. Transformer substation are further classified into step of substation: the primary grid substation, secondary substation and distribution substation. Step up substation. These substations are usually located the generation station. Generating voltage of the order of 11 kilovolts need to be stepped up to a primary transmission voltage level of the order of 220 kilovolt या 400 kilovolt. Primary grid substation. These substations are located at the end of primary transmission line, and the primary voltage is stepped down to suitable secondary voltage of the order of 60 kilovolt या 33 kilovolt. Secondary substations. The voltage is further stepped down to 11 kilovolt. Large consumers are supplied with power at 11 kilovolt. Distribution substation. These substations are located near the consumer localities. Supply power at 415 वोल्ट 3 फेज या 240 वोल्ट सिंगल फेज to the consumer. Switching substation. These substations are meant for switching operation of power lines without transforming the voltage. Different connections are made between the various transmission line. Converting substation. Such substations are meant for either converting AC to DC, vice versa. Some are used to change the frequency from higher to lower, vice versa, for industry utilization. According to the construction features, substations are classified into indoor substation, outdoor substation. Underground substation are pole mounted substation. Indoor substation. All equipments the substations are installed within a station building. Outdoor substation. All equipment such as transformers, circuit breaker, isolator etc. are installed outdoor. Underground substation. In thickly populated area where the space in the major constraint and cost of land is higher. Under such situation, the substation are laid underground. pole mounted substation. This is an outdoor substation with equipment installed overhead of a H pole या 4 pole structure. The substation can also be classified in several ways, including the following: classified based on voltage level. Example: AC substation, EHV, HV, MV, LV, HVDC substation. Classify based on indoor. Outdoor substation is in open air. Outdoor substation in inside building. The classification based on configuration. The conventional are insulated outdoor substation या SF6 gas insulated substation GIS. Composite substation having combination of the above two. Classification based on application. The step up substation associated with generating station as the generating voltage is low. Primary grid substation created at situated load center along primary transmission line. It received the power from EHV lines at 400 kV, 220 kV, 132 kV and transformer the voltage to 66 kV, 33 kV, 22 kV. 22 kV is uncommon to suit the local requirements in respect of both load and distance of ultimate consumer. These are also referred to EHV substation. Secondary substation along secondary transmission line. It received the power at 66 या 33 kV which is stepped down usually to 11 kV. Distribution substation create where the transmission line voltage is stepped down to supply voltage. Bulk supply and industrial substation similar to distribution substation but created separately for each consumer. Mining substation needs a special design consideration because of extra precaution for safety needed in the operation of electric supply. Mobile substation for emergency replacement of transformer etc. Distribution substation, it receives power at 11 kV, 6.6 kV and step down to volt suitable for LV distribution purpose normally at 415 volts. The part, equipment and component installed in substation. Each substation has the following part and equipment: outdoor switchyard, incoming lines, outgoing lines, bus bar, transformer, bus post insulator and string insulator, substation equipment such as circuit breaker, isolator, earthing switch, uh, surge arrestor, CTS, PTS, neutrals, grounding equipments, station earthing system, compression ground mat, riser, auxiliary mat, earthing strip, earthing spikes and earth electrode. Overhead earthwise shielding against lighting stroke, galvanized steel structure for lower equipment supports, PLCC equipments including the line trap, tuning unit, coupling capacitor etc. Power cables, control cables for protection and control, road cable, trenches, station, illumination systems, main office building, तो administrative building, conference room etc. 6.6, 11, 12, 33, 66, 132 kilovolt switch gear LV. Indoor switch gears, switch gear and control panel buildings, a low voltage AC switch gear, control panels, protecting panels, battery room and DC distribution system. DC battery system, charging equipment, DC distribution system, mechanical, electrical and other auxiliary, firefighting systems, diesel generator set, oil purification system. An important function performed by substation switching, which is the connecting and disconnecting of transmission line or other component to and from the system. A transmission line या other component may need to be de-energized for maintenance या for new construction, for adding या removing a transmission line या a transformer. All works to be performed from routine testing to adding new substation must be done while keeping the whole system running. A fault may develop in transmission line या any other component. Some examples of this: a line is hit by lightning and develops an arc या a tower is down by high wind. The function of the substation is to isolate the faulty portion of the system within the shortest possible time. Substation layout and their components. Pictures 1 shows the typical substation layout. It consists of the following components and explained below. Power transformer. Power transformer are used for generation and transmission network for stepping up the voltage at generating station and stepping down the voltage for distribution. Auxiliary transformer supply power to auxiliary equipment at substation. Picture 2. Current transformer. The line in substation carry current the order of thousands of amperes. The measuring instruments are designed for low value of current. Current transformers are connected in line to supply measuring instruments and protective relay. For example, a 100 by 1 ampere CT is connected in line carrying 100 ampere, and then the secondary current of CT is 1 ampere. Given pictures 1, the one primary power line side, one primary power, सेकेंड ग्राउंड वायर, सेकेंड ये ग्राउंड वायर सबसे टॉप में, ओवर हेड लाइन्स थर्ड, ये ओवर हेड लाइन्स फोर्थ में पोटेंशियल ट्रांसफार्मर, जो फोर्थ में है वो हमारा क्या है, पोटेंशियल ट्रांसफार्मर. द दिस इज द पोटेंशियल ट्रांसफार्मर. एंड 5 इज डिस्कनेक्टेड स्विच, 5 इज डिस्कनेक्टेड स्विच, ये 5 डिस्कनेक्टेड स्विच, ये 5 डिस्कनेक्टेड स्विच. And 6 is circuit breaker, and 6 this is the circuit breaker. 6 is the circuit breaker. This is the circuit breakers. And seventh current transformer, seventh current transformer. This is the current transformers. Seventh is current transformer. And 8 is lighting arrestor. 8 is lighting arrestor. This is the lighting arrestor. And B secondary power lines. B is the secondary power lines. And seventh current transformer. And 8 lighting arrestor. 8 जो है lighting arrestor है, 8 lighting arrestor. And 9th is a main transformer. 9th is main transformer. This is the main transformer. And 10th is control building. 10th is control building. And 11th is secretary fence. 11th is secretary fence. This is the substation layout. This is the oil level indicator. This is the oil level indicator. Or this is the hydrating breather, dehydrating breather. This is the oil filter plug. This is the conservators. And this is the contact thermometer. This is a Buchholz relay. And this is the rating plate. And this is the terminal box. And this is the corrugated tank. And this is the wheel. And this is the heavy terminal. This is the heavy terminals. And this is the porcelain. This is the made of porcelain. And this is the tank. And this is the secondary terminal box. This is the secondary terminal box in this show pictures. Potential transformer यानी कि PT. The lines in substations operate at high voltage. The measuring instruments are designed for low value of voltage. Potential transformer are connected in lines to supply measuring instrument and protective relay. This transformer makes the low voltage instrument suitable for the measurement for high voltage. For example, 11 kilovolt 110 volts PT is connected to power lines and the line voltage. 11 kilovolt the secondary voltage will be 110 voltage given for figure. This is the current transformer. This is the current transformer figure shows in these four pictures. Circuit breaker. Circuit breaker are used for opening and closing a circuit under a normal as well as abnormal faulty condition. Different types of CB which are generally used are oil circuit breaker, air blast circuit breaker, vacuum circuit breaker and SF6 circuit breaker. Isolator. Isolators are employed in a substation to isolate a part of the system for general maintenance. Isolator switches are operate only under load condition. They are provided on each side of every circuit breaker. Lighting arresters. Lighting arresters are the protecting device used for protection of equipment from lighting strokes. They are located at the starting of the substation and also provided near the transformer terminals. Earth switch. It is a switch normal kept open and connected between earth and conductor. If the switch is closed, it discharges the electric charge to ground available on the uncharged line. Wave trap. This equipment is installed in the substation for trapping the high frequency communication signals sent on the line from remote substation and diverting them to the telecom panel in the substation control room. Coupling capacitor. A coupling capacitor is used in substation where communication is done by AC power line. It offers very low impedance to high frequency carries signal and allow the enter the line matching units and blocks the low frequency signal. Bus bar. When numbers of lines operating at the same voltage level need to be connected electrically, bus bars are used. Bus bar are conductors made of copper, aluminum with very low impedance and high current carrying capacity. Different types of bus bar arrangements are singles bus bar arrangements. Single bus bar with sectionalization, double bus bar arrangements, sectionalized double bus bar arrangements, double main and auxiliary bus bar arrangements, breaker and half schemes, 1.5 breaker schemes and ring bus bar schemes. Single bus bar arrangements, it consists of a single bus bar bottom. Incoming and outgoing lines are connected to the single bus bar. Pictures 5. The advantages of these arrangements are low maintenance, low initial cost and simple operation. The drawback of this arrangement is if any repair work is to be done on bus bar, complete system get interrupted. In given a picture, incoming lines, bus bars, single bus bars, outgoing lines. This is the incoming lines. This is the incoming lines and single bus bars, and this is the outgoing lines, single bus bar arrangements. Single bus bar with sectionalization. Single bus bar are divided into sections. Any two sections are connected by circuit breaker and isolator. During a fault or maintenance, particular section can be energized. This eliminates compare shutdown of the system. Picture 6 shows that two incoming and two outgoing lines are connected bus section 1 and other two incoming and two outgoing lines are connected bus section 2 by using bus coupler. Double bus bars. This arrangement is also known as duplicate bus bar system. It consists of two bus bar mains and a pair of same capacity. Incoming line and outgoing lines can be connected to either bus by means of bus coupler, breaker and isolator. Continuity of supply of the circuit can be maintained during a maintenance of main bus bar या fault occurring on it. Single line diagram for substation. Any complex power system, even though they are three-phase circuit, can be represented by a single line diagram showing various electrical components of power system any and their interconnection in single line. Representation of substation. The electrical components such as power transformer, incoming and outgoing lines, bus bar, switching and protective equipments are represented by standard symbols R and their interconnection between them are shown by line. Single line diagram are useful in planning a substation layout. Given a picture 6 incoming lines and this is the incoming lines bus bar section 1, bus coupler bus section 2 and outgoing lines single bus bar with bus coupler substation. Standard symbols used for single line diagram substation. Electrical component symbols. AC generator, this is the AC generator symbols, bus bar and power transformer 2 winding, the symbols power transformer 2 winding and 3 winding transformer and current transformer, this is the current transformer, voltage transformer या potential transformer PT and this is the circuit breaker. This is the symbol of circuit breaker with isolator, isolator of group operating switch GOS and isolator circuit breaker with switch GOS, lighting arrestor, this is the lighting arrestor and switch, earth switch, wave or line trap, coupling capacitor CC. Picture 7 and 8 shows the example 1 and 2 substation layout. Drawing with all equipments represented by symbol. Example 1. Draw the single line diagram of substation having the following equipment. Incoming lines 2 11 1 the 110 kilovolt, outgoing lines 1 110 kilovolt यानी 4 and 11 kilovolts. Transformer 2 and 100 megavolt ampere and 110 by 11 kilovolt star delta star B1 2 megavolt ampere 11 kilovolt 415 volt star